Before we even get into today's video, I want to make sure that you have subscribed to this channel and press the notification bell. We're going to be talking about a lot of cool stuff today. There's going to be new songs, and there's going to be talk about the environment, there's going to be talk about Beyond Meat, and you're going to see a really amazing vegan cook. Stay tuned, you're going to love it. Subscribe, because I said so.
Think Beyond Meat, buy veggie burgers instead. Think of the animals. Think Beyond Meat, it's time to be vegan. Get it through your head.
All right, let's have a look at what's going on with Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is a trailblazer in the plant-based food revolution, and they just received a $100 million investment from the Ahimsa Foundation's affiliate, Unprocessed Foods. This organization supports a cruelty-free plant-based future, making this partnership especially exciting for those passionate about veganism.
Animals are innocent, like children. They need protection. Save them now. Save them now.
The funding will help Beyond Meat keep growing and spreading its message to create delicious, sustainable alternatives to animal products, even during challenging economic times. See, while Beyond Meat saw a drop in US sales recently, its international markets are growing, proving that people around the world are embracing plant-based options. This global interest is a sign of hope, showing that the movement towards ethical, sustainable food is unstoppable.
Be as vegan as possible, start today. Be as vegan as possible, start today. Be as vegan as possible, start today. You can do it. Hip, hip, hooray.
Beyond Meat is determined to turn its challenges into opportunities by continuing to innovate and expand its reach worldwide. For vegan teenagers, for kids, for parents, for adults and grandparents, this investment is a reminder that the fight for animals, the environment, and a healthier planet is gaining powerful allies. Beyond Meat's vision of a kinder food system is alive and thriving, inspiring others to join the movement. Each choice we make as vegans help push this mission forward, creating a brighter future for animals, the planet, and all of us who believe in compassion.
There's no excuse for animal abuse. Not religion, not an eating disorder, not peer pressure, not your monetary status. Don't eat animals, don't buy their bodies, don't steal their milk, their blood, or their honey. Don't wear their fur or their feathers. It is only by the grace of God that you are not in their skin. Each time you see a public display of meat, dairy, stolen eggs, or fur in an ad, give it the middle finger. Each time you see an animal suffering, run to help as if you were the victim. Each time it's time to eat, ask for and choose the vegan option. Don't be a bully to vegan children or anyone who has compassion for the animals. Heaven awaits those who do their part with a compassionate heart. Every vegan started out like you, thinking they could never be vegan. It was a crazy thing to do, and yet here they are, 100% vegan, speaking out on behalf of the victims all over the world. Never think that you can't be an ethical animal rights activist, because not only can you do it, but it's also your moral duty and your destiny. Be brave, be better, be vegan, be loved, and start now. Go vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile. It's something you should buy.
Let's read together in case you missed it. Look at the top on the left, the June 2023 Oxford Vegan Study. Let's start reading. In June 2020, hey, you're not reading. I want you to read out loud, okay? It's good for you. It's good to practice reading. Do it together, all right? In June 2023, Oxford University released a study which included data on 55,000 individuals split into 6 groups: vegans, vegetarians, pescatarians, and 3 levels of meat eaters. The study includes no conflict of interests. This means it was a fair study. The researchers reviewed 570 life cycle assessments covering more than 38,000 farms. in 119 countries. Just picture that. That's a lot of farms. That's a lot of countries. The study tells us that 50% of the world's habitable land is used for animal agriculture, and that the dietary impact of vegans regarding greenhouse gas emissions is an amazing 75% lower than that of meat eaters.
Veganism isn't extreme, but let me tell you what is. Teaching our children to love animals and then teaching them that we can harm those we love. Veganism isn't extreme, but let me tell you what is. Teaching our children to care for animals and then teaching them that we can harm those we love. That is extreme. Veganism isn't extreme. It's true love.
Okay, so what we summed up so far is that being vegan is great for the environment. Let's look at column number 2 on the top there at the right. The study states that when it comes to methane emissions, vegans contribute 15 times less than meat eaters do. Wow. Vegetarians did not do well in the study, which is a reminder that if you are an environmentalist, you must be vegan, not vegetarian. The study showed us that to create food, vegans use 75% less land and 55% less water than meat eaters do. The study concluded that being vegan is the best diet to reduce land pollution, water pollution, and air pollution, which means that it also helps to protect many endangered species worldwide. Woohoo! So this is a reminder to all of us to stay vegan and to eat a lot of healthy vegan foods, like cabbage.
Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? Did you hear the axiom? Did you hear the truth? Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's got cancer-fighting flavonoids, so you should eat it starting in your youth. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's a cruciferous veggie with lots of fiber, that's a fact. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It will keep your gut microbiome happy and intact. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's got vitamins B6, D, A, and K. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It keeps your feces flowing freely along their way. Be vegan today. Chop it in a salad, pickle it in a jar, shred it in a soup. Now you know the cabbage songs, you can sing it in a loop. Vegan doctors, athletes, kids, and parents too, they all eat cabbage, and so should you. You should be vegan too. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's actually purple and blueberries are too. You should be vegan. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? Vegan. Vegans eat it, and so should you. That's what you should do.
So you know how the doctors are always telling you to eat a rainbow of different foods? Well, I happen to have a song that I wrote a long time ago called Show Me Your Rainbow. It's about compassion towards everyone, humans and also animals. And there happens to be a channel called Rainbow Plant Life. So I thought I'd combine the two of them, this song that I composed a while ago, with some images of this channel called Rainbow Plant Life. So have a look at it. I hope you enjoy looking at the recipes, and let me know in the comments below what you think of this video.
I don't care if you're gay, if you're a lesbian, that's okay. I don't care if you're dark, beige or white. Just show me what's inside, show me your light. I don't care if you're a boy who wears pink, or if you're a girl with very short hair. I don't care if you're old or young or where you're from. I just wanna see your heart to know that you care. Show me your rainbow. Show me who you are. I'd like to know. Show me all your colors, how you care about others. Show me your rainbow. Show me who you are. I'd like to know. Show me your rainbow. Show me your rainbow. I care how you treat others who don't have your privileges and choices. I care how you treat animals who cry alone without any voices. I care that you tread lightly on our precious Mother Earth. I care how you carry the most vulnerable and show them what they're worth. Show me your rainbow. Show me who you are. I'd like to know. Show me all your colors, how you care about others. Show me your rainbow. Show me who you are. I'd like to know. Show me your rainbow. Show me your rainbow. Love and acceptance, everyone in harmony. Love a song and a simple plan. You be you and I'll be me. Love and acceptance, what's in your heart, what's in your mind. All that truly matters is that all of us are kind. Show me your rainbow. Show me who you are. I'd like to know. Show me all your colors, how you care about others. Show me your
Thanks for coming to class, everybody. If you haven't yet done so, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, you're in charge. Don't let your actions be a slave to your body. Stay vegan. See you in the next video.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher